So can you come over and get a stick? I don't care which one, although I do need to keep one for me.
I'll shake it.
Yeah.
Oh, I want one.
Yeah.
That's a pretty one.
Okay, are you?
Is delivered to you?
Oh, hey, sure.
This one? This one.
That's a big one. Oh, wow. Must be ours,
That's that one.
That's for you. Go take it back to your seat. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Somebody's gonna take that big one.
I know.
I really like it, but
I think you should.
okay.
Oh, I can't.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
Look at this. You okay?
No.
Ahaati lived in Africa. And his father was the king of the village. And his father's responsibility was to make sure that the village always had food and water, and the animals were kept out, that they had housing, and their children had schools to go to. Everything in that village was the responsibility of his father. Well, everything was going really, really nice until there was a drought. And when the drought came, the villagers began to ask, "So, Ahaati, why hasn't your father brought rain? You know that it's your father's responsibility, Ahaati." And Ahaati did not have the answer. And besides not having the answer, he no longer had friends. When his father had all the rain and all the food and kept the villagers out, Ahaati had all kinds of friends because, after all, he was the king's son. And you know how people are when they think that you have money. They want to share in it. Well, when the rain stopped coming and Ahaati no longer had friends, he spent lots and lots of time by himself. And he would just wander around. You can't play marbles with just one. You can't play hopscotch with just one. So one day, Ahaati decided to go and talk with the village griot. He hadn't talked to him in a while. And you know, the village griot knew all the secrets of the village. And so Ahaati thought, maybe he can tell me why there is no water and why my father won't bring water. Well, when Ahaati walked into the griot's hut, the griot said, "Ah, Ahaati, I have been waiting for you." Ahaati thought, "Why are you waiting for me?" "Well, Ahaati, I need to let you know. I need to give you all the stories of the village. I need to talk to you about your father." "My father? You want to tell me about my father, the king?" "Yes, Ahaati, come in. Sit. Let me tell you." And so the griot began talking to Ahaati about how he would someday be king and how he would someday be responsible for bringing the rain. And Ahaati said, I don't know how to bring rain." And the griot said, "But that's what I'm going to tell you." And there was a stick laying across the table. And the griot said to him, "Ahaati, pick up that stick and shake it." And Ahaati picked up the stick and he shook it. Nothing. And the griot said, "No, Ahaati, this way." Ahaati said, "Sounds like rain." "Yes, Ahaati, that's all you need to do is to take the stick. Everybody take your stick outside and turn it And as Ahaati turned the stick, he began to see raindrops fall on the dry ground. And he kept turning the stick. More rain. And then he heard his people coming back into the village because now they had rain. And not only did he hear his people, he heard the frogs, because with water comes frogs. And that is how Ahaati became known as the boy who brought the rain.